Okay friends, good morning. Friends, at the starting I given approximately 20 seconds. So the time I take screenshot, then try to solve. Friends, they given this question in 2018 SBI PO mains. Yes, friends, see here. Friends, but easy question, but little bit lengthy one, but too easy question. See here. Here the mention is what? There is 3 by 5 matrix. That means here we are having 3 rows and we are having 5 columns, which can produce signals which in turn help in the illumination of a some bulbs. Yes, leave. The row of the matrix are denoted by %, hash. See him. They mention %, and hash from bottom to top. Yes, one check here. Friends, here row is represented by @. Next one is what? Percentage. Next one is what? Here hash from bottom to top. They mention here from bottom to top. Yes, one check here. Here the mention is from bottom to top. And the columns are denoted by alphabets A, B, C, D, E from left to right. Yes, friends, here. Here columns are denoted by here A, next B, next C, next D, next one is what? E. Yes, friends, here. Friends, see here. Here we are having 3 by 5 matrix. Here we are having 3 by 5 matrix. Friends, here. Here we are having 3 rows. Here we are having 3 rows and 5 columns. Here this one is what? 3 by 5 matrix. Yes. See here. The given data is what? Total we are having 3 rows. %, and hash from bottom to top. A to E from left to right. Yes. Leave it. Now friends, check here. The given condition. Come to here. First condition. row contains number which are consecutive multiple of 7. Yes. Row contains number which are the consecutive multiple of 7. Friends, remember consecutive multiple of 7 means 7, next 14, next 21, 28 and so on like that. Yes, leave it. But starting from 28. Yes, friends, check here. So friends, see here. Here row contains number which are the multiples of 7. But starting is here 28. Starting is here 28. Yes, friends, check here. So friends, this one is what? Here 28. Next one is what? 7 multiple. Next 7 multiple is what? 35. Next one is what? 42. Next one is what? 49. Next one is what? 56. Yes. So friends, here they mention row contains number which are the consecutive multiple of 7 means 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. Leave it. Next point is what? Percentage row contains number which are consecutive multiple of 11 starting from 11. Yes. Percentage row contains number which are consecutive multiple of 11 but starting is 11. Next one is what? 22. Next 33. Next 44. Next one is what? 55. Yes, leave it. Next, go for next one. See here. Hash row contains numbers which are the consecutive multiple of 13 starting from 13. Yes, starting from here 13. Next successive multiple of 13 is what? 26. Next 39. Next 52. Next one is what? 65. Yes. So friend, this is the given entire matrix and 3 by 5 matrix. See here. Row contains number which are the multiple of consecutive multiple of 7. Percentage row contains number which are the consecutive multiples of 11. Hash which are the consecutive multiples of 13. Yes. So friend, this is the 3 by 5 or matrix. Next, come to next point. The matrix helps in producing a signals which can be either a single string of number X or 2 line string X and Y. Suppose it is going to produce maybe single string X, otherwise maybe 2 strings X and Y. Leave it. Next point. There are 4 lights P, Q, R and S. Friends, check here. Total here we are having 4 lights. P, next Q, next R, next one is what? S. Total we are having 4 lights. Now friends, check here. Based on the outcome of the string mentioned above, one of the light will blinks. Yes, leave. They given conditions for a blinks. Condition number 1. Friends, check here. Condition number 1 is what? See here. Condition number 1. If the outcome is below 85, then P will blink. Yes. Outcome means below 85, then P will blink. Yes, leave it. Next, second condition is what? If outcome range is 85 to 110. See here, if it is 85 between 110, then Q will blink, then Q will blinks. Yes, leave. Next one. If outcome range is 111 to 210. Yes, one see. 111 to 210, then next one is what? R will blink. Yes, they mention here R will blink. If outcome is greater than 210, yes, if it is greater than 210, then S will blink. Yes friends, okay. Here they given total, here we are having 4 conditions. Condition number 1 is, if outcome is less than 85, then P will blink. If it is between 85 and 110, then Q will blink. Then between 111 and 210 means R will blink. If it is more than 210, then S will blink. Yes, leave. Next they given one more condition. See here. Condition number 1. For outcoming of the string, here they given, this one is what? For blinking they given condition. Next one is what? Outcome of the string. First condition, if the string has all even numbers, then outcome of the string is obtained by adding all numbers. Yes. Condition number 1 is what? If the string has all are even numbers, then outcome of the string is obtained by adding all the numbers. Yes friends, check here. Now friends, check here. Outcome is addition of all numbers. Yes, leave it. Now go for condition 2. See here. Condition number 2. If an odd number is followed by even number, see here. Odd number is followed means what? After, followed by even number, then one place of all the 2-digit numbers are deleted. See, then one's place is deleted, and 10th places are multiplied to get the outcome. Yes, 1 places are deleted, next 10th places are multiplied. Yes friends, check here. Friends, condition number 2 is, if the string contains odd number followed by even number, then 1's places of the numbers are deleted and 10th places are multiplied. Yes. Next, condition number 3. Condition number 3 is, if the string contains 2 prime numbers, then the 10th places is deleted from each of the 2-digit number. Yes, see here. If the string contains 2 prime numbers, yes friends, okay. Here we are having 2 prime numbers, then 10th place is deleted. Yes. Now 10th places are deleted from each of the 2-digit number and remaining numbers are multiplied. 10th places are deleted, next 1's places are multiplied. Yes, leave it. Next, go for condition number 3. If no above logic is followed, then the simple outcome is addition of all numbers. If there is no condition is applicable, then outcome is addition of all numbers. Yes, friends, check here. Total here we are having 4 conditions. Condition number 1 is, if the string contains all are even numbers, then outcome is addition of all numbers. Next, if odd number is followed by even number, then 1's places are deleted and 10th places are multiplied. Next, if the string contains 2 prime number, then 10th places are deleted and 1's places are multiplied. If these 3 conditions are not applicable, then simply addition of all numbers. Yes. Now friends, check here. Questions one by one we will discuss. Friends, take here first question. Here first question is what? Here, if x equal to hash c, next percentage d, next hash a, next hash e. Yes. Now friends, check here. Come to your question. Friends, here hash c, that means hash row, next column c. Hash c means what? Then element is what? Here 39. Yes. Hash c means what? Here 39. Next one is what? Here percentage d. Percentage, next one is what? D. That means here 44. Next hash a. Hash a. Then this one is what? 13. Next one is what? Hash e. Hash e. This one is what? 65. Yes, friends, for this one, which conditions applicable? One check. Condition number 1. If all are even numbers. Here all are even numbers. Is there any chance? No. Next, go for second condition. Second condition is what? Odd number is followed by even number. Yes, here odd number is followed by even number. Then 1's places are deleted. Yes. Friends, suppose in 39, 1's place is what? 9, 10th place is what? 3. Then 1's places are deleted, 10th places are multiplied. 1 place, that means 9 is deleted, 4 is deleted, 3 is deleted, 5 also deleted. Then remaining numbers are 10th places digits are multiplied. That means 3 into 4 into 1 into 6. Now friends, check here. 3 into 4, here 12. Next 12 into 1, 12. 12 into 6. Total is what? Here 72. Yes. Friends, check here. Now 1's places are deleted means 10th place digits are 3, here 4, here 1, next one is 6. Total is what? 72. Now friends, check here. Here the mention is what? Here outcome is 72. Outcome is less than 85. If it is less, here 72 means what? Less than 85. Less than 85 means which one will blink means here P will blinks. So for question number 1, so then which bulb will blink means then P will blink. Then answer is what? Option C. Yes. Next friends, go to question number 2. Yes friends, see here. Once note down here question number 2. See here. Question number 2 is, see here. If x equal to at the rate a, next at the rate c, hash d, percentage b. Now friends check here. At the rate a, friends check here. At the rate a means what? Here 28. Next at the rate c. At the rate c means what? Here 42. Next one is what? Hash d. Hash d means what? 52. Percentage b. Percentage here b means what? 22. Now friends check here which condition is applicable. If you are going to observe me, see here. If the here all the given numbers are even, that means here condition number 1 is applicable. Then here addition of all numbers. Now 28 plus 42 plus 52 plus 22. Now total addition is what? Here 60, next 70, next 70, 140, here 4. That means total is what? 144. Yes friends, check here. Here outcome is what? 144. If it is 144 means, check which one will blink means. If the range is between 111 and 210, then R will blinks. Then here answer is what? R will blinks. Yes. So for question number 2, answer is what? Here option D, R will blinks. Suppose take here question number 3. Friends, here question number 3 is what? Take here x equal to, take here question number 3. Question number 3 is hash a, percentage e, percentage a at the rate b. Yes friends, check here. Hash a. Friends, check here. Here hash a. Hash a means what? See here. Hash a. Hash a means here 13. Hash a means here 13. Next one. Percentage e. Percentage e means what? Here 55. Next percentage a. Percentage a means what? Here 11. Next at the rate b. At the rate b means what? Here 35. So friends, for this one which condition is applicable means, now suppose friends check here. First one, all numbers are even, no chance. Odd even, no chance. Next 2 prime numbers. Suppose 13 is a prime number, 11 also a prime number. Yes, here 2 prime numbers. If 2 prime numbers mean, then 10th places are deleted. That means you will delete 1, here 5, 1 deleted. Next 3 also deleted. Next remaining all 1's place are multiplied. That means here 3, 5, next 1, next one is what? 5. 15 into 5, the total is what? 75. 75 means our condition is what? Less than 85. Less than 85 means which one will blink? Then P will blink. So for question number 3, answer is what? Here option C. Which one will blink means then P will blink. Suppose friends check here. Here one more question. Here question number 4. Friends check here question number 4. Question number 4 is what? If x equal to, see here, x equal to at the rate A, hash B, at the rate D, percentage C. Now friends check here. Friends here at the rate A means what? 28. Hash B means what? 26. At the rate D means what? Here 49. Percentage C means what? Here 33. Yes, so friends check here. For this one which condition is applicable? Friends check here. Condition number 1 is what? All are even numbers, no chance. Odd followed by even, no chance. 2 prime numbers, not there. Then addition of, if these 3 conditions are not applicable, then simply addition of all. Then 28 plus 26 plus 49 plus 33. Now friends check here, total is what? Here 40, 48, here 54. Next 70, next 124, next 133. Total is what? 136. Yes. Now if it is 136, outcome is 136. If the outcome is between 111 and 210, then which one will blink means here R will blink. So for question number 4, answer is what? Option D. So which one will blink me? Then R will blink. Yes. So friends, like this in 2018 SBI PO mains, here they give total 5 questions. Friends, here entire arrangement is too easy and entire arrangement is too easy. Friend, but it will take little bit time. So friends, remember, if it is a PO mains means question is too easy, but it will become little bit lengthy. So friends, hope so all of you understood this one. If not, just give your comment. At the same time friends, once if you are going to like means, then subscribe my channel. At the same time, if you are going to feel it is useful, then share to your friends. Then thanks for today.